Well, look what just came in from Live Fast Supply. Let's open it up. It's Stow and Show license plate bracket for the 2019 GT. See what it comes in with. Oh, I guess just rubber bands. Oh, here's some hardware here. Let's drop this down. There it is. The frame and a little instruction booklet along with the hardware. So I was thinking it was supposed to come with some little rubber bullets here, but I guess not. Let's go ahead and put it on. All right, so it's time to take off the bolts now. So there's gonna be 2 in here, and seem not to be that tight in here. So we do have 2 of those, and let's take them off. So there's 1. And there's the second one here. Okay, let's take them off and let's get the parts. All right, so let's get the bracket. Let's line it up and put in the screws. Let's help one in. Let's put this screw in. Okay, that one is in there. That one is in place. Let's line up the other one. And that one is in. Let's go ahead and get this little part. Not too tight, just quite enough. Alright, let's not get it too tight. Okay. Okay, that one is good. And that one is good. So it's solid now. So let's go on to the next step. All right, it's already set. Let's line it up and see if it goes in. Okay, got a snap in there. Okay, there we go. Thanks to Live Fast Supply, I got this bracket on this 2019. Well, it's already on this 2019 Charger. The only thing it needs now is a frame, so it won't look so plain. Thank you for watching.